Tasks in Streak help you track follow-ups and stay on top of the next steps that keep your work moving. In this lesson, we'll show you all the ways to create tasks, manage them across Gmail, and use tools like Quick Actions and Google Calendar to stay organized. Start by opening a box for a deal, contact, or record. From here, you can use tasks to capture any next step tied to this work. Click Follow Up in the upper right corner and enter a due date for a quick task, or click the check mark at the top of the box timeline to create a more detailed task. Type a clear action like send Jordan the revised proposal, or call Marcus about samples. Use the clock icon to add a due date and time. Pick a suggested time, use the calendar icon, or just type in natural language like Friday at 3 p.m. Click the avatar to assign the task to a teammate if you're delegating this work. After you create it, the task appears in the box timeline. If the title includes a contact's name, you'll see quick action buttons to draft an email, start a call using your available dialer options, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar directly from the task. Any task with a due date automatically syncs to Google Calendar. Clicking the event opens details with a link to the related box, so you always have full context when planning your day. You can also manage your tasks while reading or replying to messages. Open an email thread linked to a box. In the Streak sidebar on the right, click Tasks to see existing tasks and create new ones. Type a task name, set a due date, and choose an assignee. Mark tasks as complete using the checkbox on the left. Click the orange checkbox icon in Gmail's right-hand sidebar to open Upcoming. The Streak Upcoming panel shows every task assigned to you across all pipelines. Tasks are grouped by due date like today, tomorrow, or next week. You can complete tasks, reschedule them, or jump directly into a box for more context. Click Quick Action buttons to start an email, schedule a meeting, or make a call. Use the pipeline filter at the top to filter tasks by each pipeline. From Streak Home, you can also create tasks using the Quick Access bar. Click Create Task and search for a box to add your task to. Enter a task name, the due date, and hit Enter. You'll find all of your tasks in the Streak Upcoming section of the Home view, where you can reschedule or complete tasks, follow up, or jump to the Deal view. This is a fast way to add and manage tasks as part of your morning setup or daily planning. You can use this same quick method of making tasks from anywhere in Gmail using the command palette. Type Command K on a Mac or Control K on Windows. Type Task to create a new task linked to your work. This helps you stay focused without clicking through menus. Streak can remind you when tasks are due with browser or email notifications. To adjust notification settings, go to Streak Home, then click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to be taken to Streak Settings. Scroll down to Tasks Due, and from the drop-down menu select either Email, Browser, or select All, depending on your personal preference. Then do the same for tasks completed. Streak tasks help you to track follow-ups, stay organized, and take action at the right time, all without leaving Gmail. Check out the next lessons to learn more about staying on top of follow-up and managing your pipelines in Streak.